Greetings, adventurers. Today we've got a really special video. I bought an ATLATL javelin. So, what is an ATLATL exactly? So an ATLATL is this. It's a little throwing thing. So pretty much it has this pin on it that goes in the back of the javelin and this rest. You mount javelin like so. Put it on here and you throw it. It's pretty easy, but it works super well. The ATLATL has been around for many thousands of years. Since the ice, like, this has been around from the beginning. So how does one use an ATLATL? Well, like I showed you before, just do this, really. My way of aiming is pointing and following through. You're really throwing it like a baseball, because the goal is this, right? So as you follow through, again, you're throwing it like a baseball. It works like that. So javelins like this have been around for, again, a long time. The Greeks had them, the Romans had them, they had them in the Middle Ages as well. Except they didn't throw them with an ATLATL, or a woomera, as the Australian Aborigines called them. So the Native Americans and Paleolithic people used ATLATLs. The Greeks, Romans, and medieval people used these little thongs, these little ropes or something, and they used it to throw it pretty much the same way. Great video will be coming out soon about that. So how far can I throw this javelin without the ATLATL? Well, let's figure that out. If you can see that, it's right over there. Let's go measure it. So with this incredibly light javelin, this is like maybe half a pound. This is really light. I threw that 27 meters, 27.5 to be exact. Sorry. I'm gonna give it a few more tries with this first and see if I can get any farther. Mark this spot out. That's 27 meters. Back we go. It's a bit of a long walk. Alrighty. One more time. That one was a little more depressing. That was 22. One more time. Long walk. Okay. To be fair, I'm not a professional javelin thrower. There's a reason I'm a runner on the track team. That was pretty good. Okay, that one was 25.8. So, doing pretty good. Now let's give it a go with the ATLATL. It's gonna go much farther, spoiler alert. I'm sorry to say, it's just gonna go farther. Ready, ATLATL time. Oh my gosh. Record, here's the arrow. And just past that tripod is where I threw from. 61.8 meters. That's insane. 3 times the distance with the ATLATL. And to be honest, I think I can throw farther. Let's go again. All right, let's go again. Oh, 65 on the dot. Okay. That's pretty good. Especially for something that's so light. Like, really light. One more time. One more time, baby. Let's go check it out. Gosh, you guys, I just threw 77.2. That is insane. So obviously, the ATLATL won that by far. But in an upcoming video, we'll be comparing the ATLATL to the Greek and Roman equivalent. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe for that. Let's throw some more just for fun, you know? Because this is fun. So, I got this ATLATL. Well, I got this ATLATL and this javelin from Meadowcroft. You guys go check them out. They've got the rock shelter, 16th century Monongahela encampment, 17th century settler encampment, 18th century town. They've got some really cool stuff there. Go check them out. Link in the description below. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, all that YouTube stuff. Really, guys, I mean it. It really helps me out. And until next time, see you guys around and farewell.